Alright, so today we're going to be starting section 4.1. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a continuous random variable. You'll be able to identify whether a given nice enough function is a probability density function, and you'll be able to use the probability density function of a continuous random variable to compute probability in nice situations. Alright, continuous random variables. Recall from earlier in the course that a continuous random variable is a random variable whose values live in a continuous range. For instance, between -1 and 12 inclusive. Some examples of continuous random variables: temperature, height, time. The ultimate goal of this course is to use continuous random variables to sort of smooth out discrete random variables. We'll be doing that in section 4.4. Start with an important fact. If x is a continuous random variable, then the probability that x is any one specific value is 0. However, that doesn't mean that any particular outcome is impossible. What instead we do is we look at the probability in particular intervals. For instance, we might look at the probability that x is greater than -1 and less than 12, or the probability is x is less than 2. Before going to the next part, I have a question that I want you guys to answer, which is in the next video.